Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do another tutorial about the vertical menu that I did 1 year ago, but with a twist. This time the vertical menu will not be hovering on the page, it will be built in the page on the left side. And this is only applicable for desktop because on mobile that same behavior doesn't apply very nicely, and I do not recommend it on a mobile. You can definitely hide it when it comes to the mobile version and just use it for the desktop. So let me show you how you can achieve this effect where we can have this menu on the left side, and when we click on the beauty rituals we will be navigated to the beauty rituals, and when we click on aesthetics the aesthetics will show up. This is a mockup website that I usually use for my tutorials, and this behavior on stacking the sections is from previous tutorials and from the template itself. Now let me show you how to achieve this effect. So we're going to add a container by going to add elements, then quick add and container. We are going to also give it the option to be 100 VH or 100 viewport height. We're also going to give it 10% width, arrange it to be for now on top, dock it or pin it to the left side, align it to the top and to the left. So as you can see now our menu is not very visible, so what we would like to do is go to the layers, select the header, and we're gonna go arrange, bring it to front, and now it will be visible on the left side for us. Let's change the color to be the same as the other. Also for your container you probably would like to go to size and toggle the advanced settings and give it max height to be 100 VH. And while we have the container selected or our vertical menu, in the section position we're gonna do, instead of default, we're gonna do pinned, and we're gonna pin it to the page. You can have this fixed behavior on the left side. So right now as you can see, probably you wonder, okay great, but why is it covering all my other information on the website, like it's overlapping with the other content? How can we fix that is by going to layers again. We're gonna select the page itself, and this here will open on the right, and if it's edit in pairs you can click edit individually and add padding on the left of 10%. And now there will be just enough space for your vertical menu on the left side, and also a little bit of space between your actual content and your container. And now to edit the vertical menu, we are going to give it the vertical menu itself by going to menu and search, choosing the style of the vertical menu, which is this one, attaching it here, shrinking it a little bit to fit inside, manage menu, keeping this, but also wanting to change the color of the text and making it more accessible and visible by changing it to white. And this is the regular state. When it's on hover, the text is going to be cream, and when it's going to be selected it's going to be also some kind of light color, so it can have a better contrast. So now if we preview, we're going to go on a side, going to select this text, and we're going to make it 14. We're going to stretch it a little bit so it can fit exactly the amount of width of the container. And now when we preview, and also one more thing that we need to do, since we have a visual indication of where exactly are we in the vertical menu, we would like to give it a little bit of padding on the left, and by little I mean literally 5 pixels, just a little bit of a nudge so we can see the difference between the indication on the menu and when we scroll where it's changing. And now when we go on preview, we are going to have this container on the left and our menu on the top, and we can click on rituals and it will take us to rituals. When we click on aesthetics, it will bring us to aesthetics. And if you wonder, okay, but how does it go to exactly that position? That happens by going to the menu, managing the menu, going to more actions, change link, and as I explained in the previous tutorial 1 year ago, we're going to go to anchors, this page, and choose the anchor itself, which is rituals. And rituals is this section here, that once selected, we can also give it an anchor right here on the bottom right, and naming it correctly so it can pair well with the menu and we can sync them together. So that's it from me for today, and I hope this was an easy tutorial for you on how to implement a vertical menu in your website. And if you want to learn Wix Studio Foundations as a beginner, with or without any prior web design experience, I have launched my Wix Studio Foundations course on Udemy that you can purchase with the links below and in my profile. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!